What are these?
These are clocks.
What can you do?
I can sleep.
Sleep? Where do you live?
I live in Lincoln.
Where's the stove?
The stove is next to the refrigerator.
Can you say that again? Where is the stove?
It's next to the refrigerator.
What does she want?
She wants
Cereal.
She wants cereal.
Who is he?
He is a farmer.
What do you do every day?
I go to the English class.
Every day. What do you do every day?
I go to the math class
Say every day.
every day.
One more time.
I go to the math class every day.
Do you read email every
No,
evening?
no, I don't.
One more time.
No, I don't.
What are they doing?
They are riding a bicycle.
What do you do on Fridays?
I go to the math class. On the Fridays.
You go where? What do you do on
Math
Fridays?
class. I go to math class every day.
On Fridays.
On Fridays.
What do you do on Fridays?
Huh?
What do you do on Fridays?
I go to I go to math class on Fridays.
Very good.